Uh, Actually, let me make a better song. Yeah. Top two currently, but never number two. Look at you, thinking that you got that dog in you, but you a Scooby-Doo. Podcasting and tweeting about me on local interviews. I just got a double story crib, my girl, she loved the view. 3 years saying that you getting bread, but you still looking dusty. No dimension, you would bully me, so clean on go suspect. G's how I said table, spray his life, consider him as lucky. Calvin Klein on these fucking blues, bitch gon' call me papi. The only real bully I recognize is Kid Teeny. Buta wins angle right in this, but Queen Cantini. Bigger than the guys combined, I'm the biggest ngakini. Hating cause your sister had a crush. Stanshini. Rocking Aries merch to get a backup from the slimes. And I can buy your little catalog shit. One cost me a dime. You couldn't sell your album. Shit was buns and I was trying to shine. I'm fucking outside with the shit. Cheetah, there's no way to hide. Smoking in time where I said Bravo made you thinking that you better than me. First debut album, be easy, my shit couldn't be me. Took a break from trapping, yeah, I won't get still ain't bigger than me. Knew your ass was envious, it shows the way you looking at me. Dissing me with auto-tune, that BBL bar so recycled. I'll murder you and that's a promise, one hand on the Bible. Stop tweeting that you are Mr. Bully, bitch come take the title. Hate the fact that you older than me, but I am still your idol. Ain't put on that auto-tune and you say, okay, let me sound like him. I be shining, I'm a star, the type of light you cannot dim. We can even leave the music for a squabble, totally scream. Had a minds at 12, Fontaine freestyle in 20. Trying to get a hit song so bad, it's so fucking sad. Either you baiting about my ass or you cannot rap. Put your ass at Cotton Fest stage, bitch, you was a fan. I remain the bully, King Kong. You went in fan, bitch.